native doctor get sense pass you. And they tell you the truth, not they argue. Native doctors, they get sense pass you. They not go school, but they get sense pass you. They know they feel they speak the kind English every like say you they speak, they still get sense pass you. Some of them, what they approve for life, they don't know, but they still get sense pass you. The question I be say, why me talk say native doctor get sense pass you? I go explain that. Imagine, based on you now, things not good for you. You want make money, you want armor overnight. You can't go meet native doctor say, may he do something for you when he be like say, within 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you don't blow, you don't get better money. He go tell you say, of course, he get what he go do for you. He go tell you what to bring, he'll bring those things, and he go tell you how much he go charge you for the particular medicine like say he want to for you. And as he really run the matter, within 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, you don't blow. Things don't happen. They don't they count you among those who like say they wrong things. But then I go reason the matter. I go say wait to these native doctors. They don't like better thing. Like they don't like better thing. Because some of them, the houses when they stay, they see they pay house rent. Some of them say inside bush, now they stay. The kind clothes, like powerful clothes, where like say you go begin to put on after you don't get the money within 1 or 2, 3 months, they not fit wear those clothes. The kind car where like say you they drive, they not go fit. They in fact, not be say they not go fit drive, and the simple truth be say they not even know how to drive car and they not ready to learn. Meaning say they not plan to even get car. Others building of houses do not get money to build houses. So the thing they surprise me, if you know waiting to do to make somebody get money within 1, 2, or 3 months, and the person go get money, go fit buy motor for himself, he go fit build a house, he go fit live a very comfortable life. Why you not do that thing for yourself? So that you go see get money like this person. But he no go do that thing for himself. That be the sense where like saying get past you. So you understand the matter now? Native doctor, he get sense past you. He no say that money when they give you not be better money, not be clean money at all. And he no say better wahala day tomorrow when go follow that money. He himself, he not ready for that wahala, he not prepare for that. So for that reason, he prefer to use the hand, take work, do the charm, make you pay and with the clean money, like say you want carry come. But that particular money, like say you want to make you get to, he not ready to get that money because the wahala, like say go follow that money, he not get power to carry that wahala. So you see now say native doctor wise pass you. So my friend out there, young boy, young girl, but I say, based on the way things they happen for your family, I know say everywhere hard though, the country hard, do not they argue. Based on the way things hard for your family, you just feel say the only way to make money now to do ritual. You they go about, you ready to do anything just to make money. My brother, calm down, your blood to the heart. He get many things where like say he did behind that money, but like say the native doctor won't give you. But he know if he explain for you, if not you go run. But based on when they do it for you, finish later, you can't see the problem. And every day, say, guess what kind of people say they give you explain to them what it is inside the money, what it will cost them in the future. But they are ready to take the risk and to pay the price. Not be sharpness with that, you're not wise at all. Not better foolishness with that. So if the native doctor, like say they do that thing for you, enough he do it for himself to get money, enough he do it for his brother, do it for his sister, do it for his children. May they get money, he they struggle to see how to survive. And then he they do it for you, they blow overnight. He clear say that guy gets sense past you. The while I follow that money, he not make the while for us. So I beg, wise up, get sense. Wait for your time, eh? Life now small. All of us will go make it. I'll say the matter just be. If you do what you're supposed to do something with your hands, you will definitely make it. So, not go into rituals. Eh? Not go into ritual. Even some they will they kill their mama self till they do money. I could wonder, your own mama be like say give birth to you. Mama born you, suffer, take care of you, do everything to make sure you dey okay. Food go there as the food don't go reach your mama go make you chop first before she herself go chop. At the end, because you want make money, you kill your own mother, you make money. Now when you don't make the money now, who want enjoy the money? Why would they suffer? Why would they struggle? Why would they go school? Why would they work with our hands? Not so that tomorrow we'll fit get money, our parents will suffer for us, especially our mama, so that we'll fit take care of them. But at the end now, to make money, you kill your own mama. You get the money finished, now your mama they suffer for you. She never dare alive to chop that money. Not be sense without that foolishness. So that the secret table I say native doctor, he no go ever tell you. And for this reason, I make me say native doctor, he gets sense past you. When you reason the matter, so you know I say I correct. Now so I correct that. Thank you. Hey, I I believe say the video wey be like say you watch, you like am well well, and somehow God don use the video take bless you. I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, wetin you dey waste time for? I beg, e get one button for there wey dey write subscribe. All you need to do, just press the button, and when you press am, the work don finish. And then when you do that one, e get another button when e be like bell, when they draw, they call am notification. Wetin I dey talk sef? Notification. Now the button be that, yes. When you press that one too, anytime when it be like say I release new video, they'll just let you know say I don't release new video. Apart from that, I beg, when you watch the video, like am. When you like am, also share them, so that people when they never watch the video, they go feel also watch it. If you get anything to tell us, I beg, not fail to also comment on the comment box. You dey hear me? Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.